Hi everybody, and welcome to Crafty Tane. Today, we'll be making a Spider-Man web shooter like this one, and I'll even show you how it shoots. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so first we're going to make the shooting mechanism, and as you can see, this is how it's going to look. Now, you may think that this is a pen, and well, this is. Now, I've used this exact pen, and what you have to do is you have to dismantle the entire pen, and you only need the refill, this back cap, and the barrel. The front tip and the rubber holding can go. Now, you need to cut this pen to exact length, but that length I'll tell you. First of all, as you can see, we need a spring which will power the gun. So this is my bullet. I'll load it, I'll press, and it'll fire. As you can see, like this. So my bullet got fired. Now, how you're going to do this is you need a ballpoint pen, and you have to take out the spring from it and stick it inside this blue cap using hot glue. Once you're done with that, you can move on to the next step. Okay, now if you're done with the mechanism, then we can move on to the next part. And after this part is done, you can clearly see how we're going to make our band. So we're going to make it like a wristwatch, and the dimensions of this is 20 centimeters by 5 centimeters, or 8 inches by 2 inches. And as you can see, it wraps nice around my wrist. And how we're going to stick that in a jiffy. But first, we're going to stick this using hot glue. So as you can see, I've cut 4 circles here, and this can really be any shape, but you just need to enclose this inside the shape you made. For example, if you're making a circle like me, then the diameter of the circle should be equal to the length of your mechanism. So now with hot glue, I can stick this, and once I'm done, then I'll show you. So I'll be back. Okay, so now as you can see, the look is completely changed of our shooter, but I'll explain to you how we did it. So basically, as you can see, our mechanism with the nozzle at the front and the blue cap at the behind is going to be here, and it's sandwiched between these 4 circles. Now if you want, you can cover them up with one more piece of cardboard, but it's really not necessary. I've stuck this on my wristband, and here, as you can see, there's an ice cream stick. Now, why is there an ice cream stick here? Well, as you can see, I've prepared this early on. It's a very long process, but I'm sure it's worth the while. Basically, what you're going to do is you take an ice cream stick and you dip it in water overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, then you can bend it in any shape you want. So I bended it in this shape. Now we can use this as the trigger, as if we are right-handed, then we hold it like this. So I've stuck it, and as you can see here, we need a movable hinge. So the curved edge of this is going to have to go. Remove the curved edge completely. Then you get a straight edge. And as you can see, carefully, I've scored, or in other words, you take a cutter and you very gently apply pressure so this can move. So now I can move this if I want. But you may ask how this is going to function as a trigger. And well, the answer to that is this piece that we have cut is going to go here. So once I do that, it's going to be blocked. And once this goes down, the web is going to open. That's pretty much all there is to it. But still, I'll stick this and then I'll show you. Okay, now as you can see, we have the finished product, and there, I put it on my hand, and that's because of this Velcro. And now I can shoot, have fun, and now you can color it and do it whatever you want. Also, as you can see, there's a very thin string that's attached to it. For example, this string, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but there, it's on my finger. Now one end is stuck to the bullet and the other end is stuck just behind the ice cream stick. Okay, so that's how you make a web shooter. And as I always say, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when our videos come. Well, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.